This is part two of a video that I just made. I read some of the comments and they were suggesting that I shouldn't have used stiffness. I shouldn't have used the moment of inertia. Shouldn't have used this formula here. I should have used this formula here because I'm looking for strength. This governs how much bending stress the beam or the joist can take before the wood fibers snap. So to find the strength, we're going to take the base times the depth squared and divide it by 6 and not go to the third power or divide it by 12. So it's kind of the same formula here, just a little different. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of the results that we're going to get using it. So if we go ahead and stack two 2x4s on top of each other and compare it to a single 2x8, this is what we're going to get. So the result of two stacked unbonded boards are exactly a quarter as stiff as the one solid board. And for strength, the two stacked unbonded boards have exactly half the bending strength of a solid board. And you can go ahead and pause it and read some of the information in here. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit though. And I believe I mentioned this in the previous video, but if I didn't, let's also keep in mind that some of these numbers might or might not be compensating for different types of lumber with larger imperfections or defects, and the fact that engineered wood usually isn't going to have those defects. And in this example, we are stacking a 2x4 on top of a 2x6 to get these results here. And go ahead and go over, take a look at this. And let's go ahead and take a look at two 2x6 stacked on top of each other, stiffness, strength. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stiffness for the boards. The stacked lumber is going to be 25% as stiff, yet it's going to be 50% as strong. And you can see here where the people who pointed out in the comment area for the first video that the 25% as stiff isn't going to be 25% as strong. It's going to be 50% as strong if all of these calculations are correct. And if I stack two 2x8 on top of each other, we're going to have the same numbers. It's going to be 25% as stiff and 50% as strong as a solid piece of lumber with the equivalent height. So in this example here, we're going to have a 1.5 base and a 7.5 height for our two stacking boards. And then we're going to have 1.5 for the base, 14.5 for the height for the solid board. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the video right there because I think with just a couple of these calculations, you can get an idea that by stacking two of the same size boards, you're probably going to come up with these numbers here and provide you with a better idea about the difference between the strength along with the stiffness of these three scenarios. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.